In this video, we will explore Penang Hill, the oldest hill resort in Malaysia, established by the British during their colonial rule. It's located on Penang Island, and we will go there by the railway funicular train. When I visited Penang Hill in February 2024, the round ticket for foreigners cost 30 Malaysian ringgit, which is $7 US. So if I go there and back, it's 30 ringgit? Is it from Kazakhstan? Yeah. Is it possible to pay with a card? Can I pay with a card? Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Okay.
Same ticket for return, yeah?
Okay, thank you very much. It was also possible to buy an express ticket, then you go through a separate fast lane and you do not wait in the queue to get on the train. The express round ticket cost 80 ringgit or $18.50. As I'm traveling on a budget, I got a normal ticket. For local people, the prices were lower. I heard that Penang Hill gets very crowded at the weekend, so I went there on Friday afternoon, but still there were a lot of visitors there. The people that have normal tickets are divided into batches. Mine was 41. First, you wait to be accepted to the waiting area, and then wait to get on the train to go up the hill. I had to wait for around 20-25 minutes, and those who have an express ticket board the train without waiting in line. The Penang Hill funicular railway is one of the steepest in the world, taking passengers up a steep slope to the top of the hill. This railway was first opened in 1923, so it's over 100 years old. It has been upgraded several times since then. The latest upgrade in 2010 replaced old wooden carriages with modern air-conditioned ones, which made the ride more comfortable. Now the ride to the top takes about 5 to 10 minutes, much faster than the old system that took about half an hour.
Kita akan sampai ke stesen atas sebentar lagi.
It's also possible to hike up the hill. It's a scenic and adventurous way to reach the top, and it takes around an hour. One can also take a jeep service from the Penang Hill lower station or bike up the hill. But the trails are quite challenging, so it's suitable for experienced cyclists. Penang Hill is a popular destination that attracts tourists from all over the world, and it's a favorite getaway for locals, especially on weekends and holidays. Visitors come for its cool climate, scenic views, and historical sites. Nature lovers enjoy hiking, bird watching, and exploring the rich flora and fauna. Photographers come here to capture stunning sunrise and sunset shots, and families come for fun outings, enjoying playgrounds and the funicular railway ride. Religious pilgrims visit the hilltop Hindu temple and mosque. Health seekers come for the fresh air and peaceful environment to relax and meditate, while cultural explorers learn about Penang Hill's role in the region's heritage. From the top of Penang Hill, you can enjoy beautiful panoramic views of Georgetown and the surrounding areas. There are cafes and restaurants where you can relax and take lots of photos at scenic spots. There is also an eco-park on Penang Hill called The Habitat, which is designed to showcase the natural beauty of Penang Hill's rainforest. It has nature trails, a canopy walk, and a treetop walk, but I didn't visit it this trip. Penang Hill has a rich history that dates back to the colonial era, when the British established it as a hill station in the late 18th century. It served as a retreat from the heat and humidity of the lowlands. The first bungalow was built here in the early 19th century, marking the beginning of its development as a resort area. The construction of the funicular railway in 1923 made it easier for visitors to reach the summit, further boosting its popularity. During the Second World War, Penang Hill was briefly occupied by the Japanese. After independence, it continued to attract tourists and locals, drawn by its cool climate, scenic views, and cultural attractions. I was strolling, exploring the Penang Hill, and I came to a house, next to which I saw very cool monkeys. These are Dusky leaf monkeys, also called spectacled langurs, because of their white eye rings. These monkeys are very cute. They eat mostly leaves, but also fruits and flowers, and they live in small groups with one male, several females, and their babies. These monkeys are endangered due to losing their homes and hunting, so it's important to protect them. They use different sounds and facial expressions to talk to each other. They also help the rainforest by spreading seeds from the fruits that they eat. This is Penang Hill Mosque. It was built in the 1960s and it has a beautiful view of the island. Many people, both locals and tourists, visit it to pray and enjoy the calm atmosphere. The mosque has a mix of modern and traditional styles in its design, making it unique and pretty to look at. It welcomes everyone to come and learn about local culture and religion. Not far from the mosque, there is a Penang Hill Hindu temple, which is also an important religious place on Penang Hill. I will not tell the name of the temple because I'm afraid I can pronounce it incorrectly. It's dedicated to the Hindu god Murugan, and it's one of Malaysia's oldest temples, built more than 100 years ago. The temple has colorful statues and detailed carvings that attract worshippers and visitors who come for prayer and quiet meditation. Each year, the Thaipusam festival brings devotees who climb the hill in a special journey to honor God Murugan. The temple's location on Penang Hill offers a peaceful atmosphere with beautiful views, making it a place of spiritual importance and cultural significance. Closer to evening, Penang Hill became even more crowded, with lots of tourists and local families. The Cliff Cafe is a popular spot on Penang Hill. It has 2 floors and it offers amazing views of Georgetown and the area around it. The cafe serves a mix of local and international food, nice desserts, and there are also souvenir shops inside where you can buy clothes, t-shirts and bags featuring Penang's landmarks and street arts, which are popular with tourists. In this cafe, you can find local Malaysian dishes like Penang laksa, which is a noodle soup with a rich, flavorful broth, nasi lemak, that is coconut rice with spicy sambal, char kway tow, which is stirred fried flat noodles, and roti canai, that's a flaky flat bread with curry. The cafe also serves international dishes such as burgers, pasta, and sandwiches. Now it's time to go back to the funicular train. A lot of people continue to arrive to the Penang Hill. Before leaving the place, I decided to enjoy one more time the beautiful view from the hill. Thank you for joining me on this trip to Penang Hill. I hope that you liked it and enjoyed the beautiful views. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.